Hello guys, good morning. Don't mind my voice, I'm just waking up. So I just want to quickly show you guys the key reversal zones you have to be paying attention to when buying and when selling. All right. So these key reversal zones are going to be guiding you. So these are the key reversal zones you have to be paying attention when buying a trade or when selling a trade. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button to join the family. All right. So the key reversal zones you have to be paying attention when buying and when selling. Number one, your demand and supply zones. Look for where there is an aggressive move to the downside, and then price will have to make a retracement to that key zones that causes that aggressive move, and then price will continuously heading back to the downside if that is a bearish move. And for the buyers move, for the bullish move, you notice price will make an aggressive move to the upside. Just wait, look for where there is an aggressive move to the upside. Then mark out the key zones that price make the price will have to make a retracement to it. And then before price will continuously heading back to the upside. And then we have your previous highs and your previous lows, which are your swing points. So if you're looking for a previous highs, pay attention to the highs and the lows that price is actually making. So price you have to make if price is if price creates a low, price you have to make a retracement to that low where it's created and then start pushing back. Like I told you guys on my previous videos, that price always hits a zone twice before price was continuously making rejections back to that particular zone. So once price come there, it will create a low. So that low is very active. Once price got to that low, there will be a retracement as well. If that is a buying market, then a selling market, you need to be looking out for the highs that price is creating. Price will have to come into that highs before there will be a continuation of the sellers. All right. So another key zones you are looking out for is your fair value gaps, which is your imbalance. Price you have to make a gap. You see price making an aggressive move to the upside, creating a gap. So that gap that price is creating, price will have to come down to that particular zones to fill up the gap, and then before the buyers will continuously buying the market. So you should be looking out for your fair value gaps as well. So another zone you should be paying attention is your liquidity zones. So look for those zones where there's look for your double bottom zones, or double top zones, or areas where there are rejections. Those are your liquidity zones. Price will also come into that particular zones, and then there is something they call liquidity sweep. It will sweep the liquidity, and then before coming into the zone back, and there is a continuation of the seller. So you should be paying attention at your liquidity zones as well. So another key zones you should be paying attention is your change of character and your break of structure. So once price is going down, telling you that it want to start going down, it has to make what a change of character first. If price is going an uptrend, you notice price creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Go to a particular key levels and you notice price refuse to make a new highs, and then instead, came back, take out the low it created. That is called a change of character. So price will have to make a retracement back to the highs that it gave us, and then before continuously heading back, that is called a break of structure. Once the price breakout of the next low, you notice this is the low that price broke out before going up. So the next low that price created, if price is able to break it out again, there is continuation of the sellers telling you that this is a break of structure, telling you that the sellers are now in the market. You can now join the seller very safely, very peacefully. All right. And then you enter and ride the trend with the market. Another key zones you should be paying attention here is your Fibonacci retracement. I also make use of the Fibonacci retracement. There's a 0.618. So 0.618, I make use of it to for my reversal zones. So price always come if there's an aggressive move to the upside. Price always you pick out your Fibonacci retracement. Make mark from the level, the lowest level price made down to the highest level price made. So once you mark it, then look for your 0.618. Price will have to come into that particular zones, and then that is your reversal zone. Sending that price is going to pick uh continuously heading back to the upside. For those that are using the Fibonacci retracement support zone. All right. And another key zones you should be paying attention is your order block. So your order block is a zone you should be paying attention as well. Where there's an aggressive move to the upside, price creates a bullish candlestick. You notice price creates a bearish or a bullish. If price is going up, it will create a bullish candlesticks and then before pushing on. So that bullish candlestick is what you have to be marking out. There's the other block that price will have to come into that particular zone and before the buyers can continuously buying. Same thing goes to the sellers. Price will print a bearish candlestick, which there will be a massive drop to the downside. And price will have to come into that other block zones and then before price will keep heading to the downside. So these the key zones you have to be paying attention when buying or when selling. So if price didn't approach to these key zones, leave it. It's not a valid move. All right. So you need to pay attention to these key zones. That is a very valid zone you should be buying and selling from. All right. So without wasting much of your time, I think I'll be ending from here. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscription button. Don't forget to share to your friends as well to learn the key zones that you'll be paying attention to. All right. And don't forget to like as well to join the family. So this is it, guys. Take care and bye for now.